My people, Nigerian couple don't lost their child. This matter they very, in fact, they very touching. I know even they smile as I dey talk to her like this because I dey vex. In fact, I don't the boy since. Imagine this woman give birth to twins. Okay, one of them, the girl, come fall sick. She know they chop well. And so they come say, okay, make they carry and go hospital. As they carry and go hospital, my people, now so this girl, I bet for now, we don't even know name of the hospital because I need to call her out. You understand? Now, Bajarandu Mother and Child Hospital. It there for Surulere. Now they rush this pikin. Oh, they can't go there. The first time they attend to the pikin even when they receive treatment, the doctor can say, okay, you need breastfeed them. You understand? And so the woman go. Immediately this woman finish the breastfeed this pikin, and so the pikin come they cry. You know all this abnormal cry where you don't even know where they come from. So the woman can't put the pikin for bed, go run, they call nurse, all the nurses for the hospital, they shout. You know what they tell this woman? They tell her say she dey disturb. No, just imagine, nurses, they tell the woman say she too dey disturb, make she leave them alone. Hi! So this woman come they shout, or they beg them, they shout. Una know how mothers they behave. Nobody mind this woman as they talk to Nana. And so this pikin die. Hi. I beg, the woman even said she don't come outside, do video, tell me say make her just put them everywhere because she need voice this thing out. Now why I bring her here? So for now, when no know what they happen, when I don't even know how the hospital be, when I don't know the woman, because I don't bring her come outside, make we watch the video.
They are busy telling me that my BP will rise. When they was saying they tell me that my BP will rise. When my BP was saying they tell me my BP was rise. Which kind of life are we living in Nigeria? I begged this nurse yesterday. I begged them. I said please nurse come. My baby has not understanding. She's not responding. This woman said to me, whether madam you are disturbing too much. Before they could come, my baby has already gone.
Before I been the thing say doctors say they now them get the soft heart for this world pass. Now until now. No, I don't hear matters before, but this one, no. The thing even, no, I dey try to understand some kind of things sometimes. Doctor, nurse, well, na duty na to save lives. I beg, wetin dey happen nowadays? This one I don't even know whether to call her demon, evil spirit, or from that village. Wetin dey happen? Okay, now imagine this woman don't lose him pikin. Wetin go happen next? We are sorry. This one, sorry, no go bring this pikin back. Sorry, no go bring this pikin back. See, my people, now why they tell you? Now why they tell you now every time? Say, make una dey pray. Because now many agents of darkness they everywhere. No, who know? Who know whether the nurses where they that hospital no be human being? Because I'm not sure say any human being in their right senses they go just tell person say you they disturb when are your job. I beg. See, my people, I bring this matter because this hospital we need sue am. We need shut am down. We need, in fact, people need they aware so that nobody go there again. It is very, very important. And I dey call on government. See, my people, the health issue in Nigeria is not joke. Nobody they value life. Nobody they value human. In fact, it just be like say we dey for another planet. Sometimes say all these things what they bring from my people, they do me like say I dey dream because I don't understand this can. Oh no! I don't cry since morning. I dey cry. This woman matter. It don't break my heart. I swear. If na male doctor now, I go understand. Say okay, oh, you know, say na man, woman. Where even you yourself, I dey sure say many of those nurses say where did that hospital they get children and you they treat person. Shame. In fact, who be the owner of this hospital? Shame on you. Shame on. In fact, all of una wey even dey the hospital. Shame on you people. A patient. I be why una go school? All the nurses for this hospital, why una go school? See, my people, make I give una one advice. If you no say you no get patient, you no fit stand blood, no go study medicine. Some things no be for everybody. No be by force say you go be a doctor or nurse. If it's not your calling, why you dey go? Leave the field for people wey sabi the work, people wey love am. Abeg, governor, Abi government, all of una, abi some of una, I don't even know which one I will even mention. Because this thing needs to be inspected. In fact, make the arrest from the head to the toe of this hospital. It is very, very important. And I know the joke was when they see me like this, are they vex seriously? Make the arrest this thing, make they shot and for una. Listen again, oh. Hey, Gagba Randu, mother and child hospital. Keep that name inside una head. No try go to that hospital. If not, some hospitals they know they serious. They know they serious. So now suppose they very, very careful. They very important. So please, may they shut down this hospital. And my sister, in fact, I know say even if I tell you sorry, you no go solve any matter. I know, but I beg, I want make you know say from One-on-One TV, accept our condolence. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I am very, very sorry. I am a human, and I know how it feels. Okay, take heart, and I pray may God just strengthen you this period because you know they easy, my people. Imagine after you push 9 months, you carry twins. May you can't lose pikin. I beg, see. I don't even get anything to talk again concerning this thing. I don't talk my own. All these nurses, una know una self when una day duty instead of una to dey attend to patients, una to dey gossip and they watch Z World, Al Jazeera, all those nonsense. Now so they do. Go meet them now. Say you make they attend to you. They go say, yeah, I want to sleep. Don't disturb me. Don't do this and don't do this one. Misplaced priorities and identities. All of una no even know una left from una right. And yet una dey go study medicine. My people, I beg another matter dey here because leave all those people who don't know wetin serious for their life. Yes, footballer for Ghana. He don't give up. In fact, how did they call that English? Hang the boots. I beg, I don't know, but my people, he don't decide say football no been calling again. No. He say from now, say na juju man be the calling when don't notice. My people know this matter. In fact, I don't even know whether to laugh or whether to cry. Person consciously, footballer. You know how much football people then. Then this man say no been calling now. You don't hang him up. You don't decide say okay from now on that's what they do juju. No, I dey respect people work. No get me wrong, but the thing is say this matter it surprise me in a way. Like I don't dey try to understand. I don't dey ponder on this thing since, but I know they get answer. You leave football, say now juju you dey go do. Why? And now everybody don't they talk about that. Some people they laugh at, some people they in fact many things just they go around because everybody need answer. My people now what I bring and come for now. No be small graduation from footballer. You enter chief priest, fetish priest, all the priest. Let me say, bros. Now your first set of clients will be your former teammates. You understand? They come me to say, bros, Alpha, we get match next week. Oh, we need. You understand? Settle us, cook something for us. Chineke me. Nothing wey we no go see. No, nothing wey we no go see for this Africa. Sometimes I not just understand some people. Wetin una dey think? Who dey advise una? And now, my people, I beg. The matter wey bring me here now. All of una wey sit down. They talk about this man. Say, you know, they think, they do this or some of them, even they laugh am. Now, but when he sit down for that shrine, when they decorate am very well, now go still go there. Say, you na get problem, may settle na problem. But now, when I don't go there, corner, they laugh, they talk. Una plenty politicians, una dey there, from the head, presidents, footballers themselves. My brother, your people, slave queens, married women wey no fit born. All of una, the one way I even hear now, they even say some pastors even they go for power. You understand? So that people go find that anointing when they. Wow. I beg, see, I don't even know where to even. I beg, bros, where everyone put you now for this matter? I never see slave queens. Now they go first turn to foul. Now still una go sit down there. My people, if una they look for people where they waka pass, all the people where no malams, all the shrines, they go even tell you names. Now slave queens, nobody they waka pass slave queens. Whether they look for clients, or they find, you know, maybe they don't get one client since and the maga know they pay, they go make the money. Many I beg, see, make una dey careful with slave queens, their own. Bros, no worry, you go get plenty, they go plenty. They go plenty. I dey sure say this guy now, he don't do research, he don't balance, calculate the equation, he don't conclude say na this thing go pay and work. Because people, money dey inside this thing, oh. But I don't understand. Waiting, no worry. I go this one. I go bring una the answer. Now why una need subscribe? Because me and Nan, we get meeting tomorrow. You understand? Me and Nan get serious meeting. You want tell me waiting happen? Waiting be inspiration? Why him do am? You understand? But my brother, this thing you for decide a long time, oh, because all the time where they watch you for field where they play, I don't they look your face one guy. I say this guy, you look like Babalawo small. You look like this one. I don't know, but now since you don't come outside now, come confirm. Now they say I they think right all this why. But I know they insult you. You understand? Me, I they respect. It concern me. I beg you, my people now the matter be this, so I don't know what to be inspiration. But I go bring a corner for the next update where I go get for this matter. I want to know what you think for this case. Drop her for the comment section. Share this video. Make everybody know the changes where they happen. You understand? Maybe the next one where we go here now in another footballer, we don't turn to another thing. Yes, don't forget, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys. See you later.